Welcome, dear traders. My name is Nick and I'm a financial analyst in Olymp. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. And today we're gonna teach you how to trade like a sportsman, my friends. In today's episodes, we'll go over 5 football concepts that will help you in trading. Concept number 1, read a pitch. It's not enough to win in football to know where the ball is. You got to read where the opponents are, where your teammates are, and what the current play is. In trading, you not only got to know the asset you are trading, but also read the economy, sector and industry, global sentiment, news, and company events. This is the key to become an effective trader, of course. Don't give up. The game is not over until the final whistle, so it doesn't matter if you are losing, you still have time to win the game. In trading, one bad trade doesn't mean you'll never make it as a trader. Losses are part of trading. The key is to keep the edge on your side. Practice makes perfect. Like football, getting good in trading requires practice. Lots of it. You've got to be not only familiar with tools, assets, news and patterns, but also be proficient in them. This requires practice, planning, executing, reviewing, learning from wins and losses, and repeating the cycle. The current market crash is not likely going to be an easy environment to make profit, but if you have studied past crashes in your planning, figured out a strategy that works during difficult market situation, and successfully implemented it in practice sessions, you have a much higher chance of avoiding losses and making some profits. When there is no space, make one. You'll always waste scoring chances if you stay in crowded spots in football. You have to move and find open spaces to receive the ball. In trading, you cannot expect to make profit on long positions if there are no favorable long conditions and a healthy bullish sentiment. In other words, if there are no long opportunities in the assets you are watching, it's time to review other asset classes or use different time frames, of course. The last one is shoot when you are clear. When there is a clear opening in front of the goal, don't hesitate. You have to shoot and not wait for another second. Likewise, in trading, the asset you chose behaves as expected, and you picked the right direction. In this instance, what better way is there to make profits than to add in the position? Winning like a sportsperson requires skills and experience, and you'll get to a competitive level of performance via practice and consistency. Use the approaches we've shared to see how they could improve your trading performance and get better. Never give up. My name is Nick. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.